Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor cocktail channel. I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor. And as you can see, it's time for another change. It's a time for a change in our bar. We've got the new bar. It's time for the change in seasons. And for that, we've got a new cocktail. And I think it's one you're going to enjoy. So, if you like what you see, make sure you stick around, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment. If you're watching on your phone, hit that hype button. But most importantly, grab a seat at the bar because we are making a cocktail called the Morning Spritz. Let's get pouring. We're going to start this cocktail off in a shaker. And our first ingredient going in there is some lemon juice, and that's going to be freshly squeezed. You know fresh is best. And for that, we are going to use 1 ounce. We're going to follow that up with some marmalade. We're going to put in there a bar spoon, and I'm going to put in a nice healthy bar spoon. And this is orange marmalade, and that's going in our shaker. It's got some rinds in there. It's got all kinds of good flavors to it. Next ingredient in there is some citron vodka. This is lemon flavored. Now you can use any kind of vodka that you want, but a flavored or a citrus flavored vodka is really what you're going to look for here. I'm using a lemon vodka. That's going to complement the lemon juice we used. If you have an orange vodka or a mandarin vodka, you could use that too. For that, we are going to put in there 2 ounces. That's everything that's going in that shaker before we put ice in there to chill it down. Now we're going to give this a good shake, and that's going to help break down that marmalade. It's going to infuse some of those flavors in there, and it's going to make it, more importantly, nice and cold. We know we're done in shaking when we can start to feel some condensation on there. The top's got condensation. That glass is starting to get cold. And of course, it's cocktail time. Now what I need to do is we're going to get our glass. And we're going to do a little bit of prep work here. I'm going to put some couple ice cubes in there. And then what I do is start my garnish. And for that, I'm going to take a slice of orange. We're going to drop that in the side. Kind of put that on the outside of that ice. And let's make this nice and pretty. We're going to put a couple slices in there on the other side. Now what I want to do is get a little bit more ice in that glass. We've got it nice and filled with that. Let's get this out of the way. And we're going to pour. Now, you can see the glass is only half full, and while that's a good thing, having the glass half full, what's even better is filling the glass all the way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to top this off with Prosecco. Now I've got the Prosecco chilling in an ice bucket. It was room temperature. If you want to keep that cold and you want it to chill fast, what you're going to do is put some ice in there and put some water in there. If it's room temperature and you need it in a hurry, if you add some salt to it, that's going to help that Prosecco chill down even faster. And it's going to chill that bottle a little more evenly. So now that we've got that nice and cold, we simply pop the top, pretend you heard that, and we're just going to fill the glass with Prosecco. 1 or 2 ounces, or if you're making a Kim-size portion, right up to the rim because it is bubbles, and somebody does love bubbles around here. And that is today's cocktail. It's good for brunch. It's good for sitting around the house. It's bright, it's lemony, it's orangey, it's refreshing. It's the way to start the morning. Cheers, everybody. Make sure you hit the like, and we'll see you at the next cocktail.